All right, today we're working on multiplication and division equations. So just like we talked about with addition and subtraction, we use the opposite operation to complete these problems. So first thing we're going to do is on the bottom of our page, we're going to write equations, have an equal sign, and then we solve for the variable. So here's what it's going to look like. In your notebook, you're going to flip open the flap that says multiplication and division. Multiplication is the first side. We're going to go through. So we have 3, and when we have a variable next to a number, it means multiply. So here we have 3 times x equals 15. Now, we're going to use division. So we're going to take 3x, and we're going to divide by 3, because dividing is the opposite. Leaves us with x. We're going to divide 15 by 3. We get 5. So if we come over here and we say 3, and we solve for the variable, 3 times 5 equals 15, we know that that is correct. 8 equals 4 times x. 8 equals 4 times x. We don't want that. Or that. Or that. All right. 8 equals 4 times x. So we're going to divide by 4. Leaves us with x. We're going to divide 8 by 4, and we get 2. So if we redo this one and we say 8 equals 4 times 2, we know that that is correct. So we have 2 times x, 2x equals 14. We're going to divide by 2. X equals 14 divided by 2 gives us 7. 36 equals 9 times c. So I divide by 9, which leaves me with my c. 36 divided by 9 leaves me with 4. All right, 3a equals 9. 7h equals 35. Let's do the first one. 3 times a equals 9. Divide by 3, and I end up with a equals 9 divided by 3 is 3. 7h, or 7 times h equals 35. Divide by 7, divided by 7, leaves me with h equals 5. So down here, we're going to have some that are not exactly going to divide evenly. So we're going to take 6g equals 9. We're going to divide by 6, which leaves us with g. And now we're going to take 9 divided by 6. So let's go. 9 divided by 6. Well, 6 goes into 9 one time. 1 times 6 is 6. I get a 3. I have to add my decimal and a 0. Gives me 30. 6 goes into 35 times. So g equals 1.5. 14 equals 4 times d. So we're going to divide by 4, which leaves us with d. So now I know that that's not exact, so 14. Come on, smart board. 14. Four goes into 14 3 times, which is 12. Leaves me with 2. Add my decimal point and bring down a 0, and I get 3.5. So 3.5 equals D. All right. Paz has 3 times as much money in her wallet as she does in her pocket. There is $18 in her wallet. Right? And solve the equation for how much money is in her pocket. So we know that our variable is going to be P. We're looking for a pocket. Okay? I'm going to make that look more like a lowercase p. Okay? So Paz had 3 times as much money in her wallet as in her pocket. So we're going to do P3 equals 18. So divide by 3, divide by 3, leaves us with P equals 18 divided by 6 is 6. So she had $6 in her pocket. All right, now for division, we're going to do the exact same thing, except we're going to use multiplication to solve it. So in this case, we have f divided by 7. What's the opposite of divide by 7? We're going to multiply by 7. F equals 8 times 7 is 56. So if we look here and we go 56 divided by 7, our answer is 8. So we can come over here. We have x divided by 15. Well, the opposite is to multiply by 15. Leaves us with x. Now we're going to do 15 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry 1 through down 1 is 3 plus 1 is 45. So we come over here and we say 45 divided by 15 equals 3. We know that that answer is correct. G divided by 4 equals 12. Divide by 4. G equals 12 divided by 4 is 3. 5 equals W divided by 30. So we're going to multiply by 30, which leaves us with W. We're going to multiply by 30, which gives us 150. X divided by 45 equals 2. So we're going to take 45 and multiply, because that's the opposite. X equals 45 times 2 is 90. Y divided by 7 equals 25. So I'm going to multiply the opposite. So then I have Y equals, and now 25 times 7, I get 5, carry the 3, 14, 15, 16, I get 175. Y equals 175. All right, so homework today looks like this. 4 equals 2 times y. So, number 1, 4 equals 2 times y. So here I have a multiplication, so I'm going to divide by 2, which leaves me with y. Divide by 2, which leaves me with 2. And that should do it.